Okay, so everybody understands? So if you can,
Also, your voice is cracking up.
can you hear me? Everybody, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Please write down this one on your notebook.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can't find my notebook.
The screen is not moving in my screen
Okay.
too.
So can you did you write down everything already?
Harry, the screen is not moving.
The screen is not moving.
Yeah.
Let me just do it again. Can you see it? Can you see it?
I only can see the bigger like the questions. I can't see.
Did you see I'm doing a black block?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything else. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. How many numbers, when divided by 6, have the same quotient and remainder? Let's take a look at it.
Um, how many? Yeah, just send it.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, you don't have to say how many numbers when divided by 6 have the same quotient and remainder. Let's take a look at this one. So 7 divided by 6 will have 1 and the remainder 1, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we have another one is what? So 2 remainder 2, 3 remainder 3, 4 remainder 4, and 5 remainder 5. Do we have 6 and remainder 6?
No,
No. Why?
because there'll be like just one more. There'll be seven remainder.
Yeah,
0.
because that's why, because we said the remainder cannot be bigger or equals to the divider, right? So how do we get all of them? Is you have 2 times 6 plus 2, so equals 14. And 3 plus 3 times 6 equals 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. And this one divided by 6 equals so 24 plus 4, so 28. And this one divided by 6 is 35. Get it, everybody? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so all of you? Okay, so today is Friday. Which day of week will it be 80 days later, including today? Okay, everybody take a look.
Not Friday though. It's Saturday.
So how many days are there for the whole entire week?
7.
Yes, okay, so sorry. So that's just to say, okay, so let's see. So 80 divided by 7 equals 11, right? So that means 11 whole weeks, and the rest of them will be 3 days. So including today, so today's 1 and 3. So that's why it's Sunday is 80 days later. Okay, everybody, pretty easy, correct? Okay, so let's take a look at number 3, okay? So a string of beads, sorry. I'm going to just block the solution. So everybody, please do number 3. Oh, the yellow color is crazy. Okay, everybody take a look at number 3 and get me the answer by chat. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. A stream of beads are recurring in the following pattern: 5 blue, 4 black, and 4 white, and 5 blue, 4 white, 4 black, and 4 white. Okay, so you can see this is a pattern, this is a pattern. So every single, how many numbers? 13 beads, they repeat. Correct, everybody, Andrew? So
Yeah.
what's the color of 321? So basically, you're just using 321 divided by 13, and you will get the color. So equals 321 divided by 13. So it's 24 and remainder 9. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's black. And what about the 508? It's still divided by 13. So 508 divided by 13. So the remainder is, oh, 110. So the remainder is 1. So it's blue. So 1 blue, 1 black. Correct, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at next one.
What?
Okay, so everybody, I'm going to start to explain this question. So a sum of dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder is 56. The quotient and the remainder is 4 and 6. Okay, but we don't know what is dividend and what is divisor, right? But the thing is, I know we can say this is A, this is B, right? So A plus B plus 4 plus 6 equals 56. So A plus B equals what? Evan.
46.
Very good, 46. Okay, so if A and B are 46, let me ask you, A must be bigger than B, correct? Because this is usually the dividend is bigger than the divisor, right? So we can see 46 is equals 4 times. So we can take a look at this one. So if 6 is, we can, so because the remainder must be smaller than the divisor. So B at least being 7, correct, everybody?
Mm-hmm.
Am I right? Okay, so let's see. So if B is 7, so 4 times 7 plus 6 equals what? Equals 34, right? So
Yeah.
34 plus 7 equals 41. Obviously, it's not 46, so B is not 7. So let's try B is 8. So 4 times 8 plus 6 equals 38.
38.
38 plus 8 equals 46. So A equals 38 and B equals 8. Get it, Violet? Okay, so that's how we get it. Okay, so every single one is having a little bit relationship with each other. So like, for instance, when I say it is always, like the dividend is always bigger than the remainder. So this is very important. Okay, so let's take a look number 5. Okay, a series of whole numbers are arranged as shown below. So A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's like that, right? They're doing like that. Which row is number 500?
D.
I think it's A or D.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 500. So let's see if you're taking this one as a pattern or this one as a pattern.
So it's like 1, 2, 4. It's like the pattern.
Yeah, you think it's 1, 2, 3, 4 as a pattern, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is very.
1, 2, 3, 4. I think 1, 2, 3, 4 because it's like.
I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is a pattern, because it's every time it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. They have a U pattern there. Okay, so everybody, please take a look at this one. So if it's a U shape there, so because they change the position of the number.
Okay.
Okay, so we're using 500 divided by 8. Leo, why we're using 8, not 4, is because the position is very important for this question, understand? So if you have, for instance, if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then you just divide it by 4. But you can see every time they change the direction of the number they go through. Like from the 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 is go down, but this one go up. Do you understand?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that's why it's divided by 8 just instead of divided by 4. Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at number 6. This question is different, okay? There are 2 layers. One of them is the sum of the first 100 numbers. And what is 154th number? There are 2 questions, A and B.
I sent my answer.
Mm-hmm. Okay, can I help you, everybody? So 37532, 37532. So first we need to know there are 5 numbers
And the sum is 20.
as a pattern, right? They repeat, right? Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the thing is because the first question asks sum of the first 100 numbers. So all we need to do is actually to find out how many sets of those 5 numbers. So 100 divided by 5 equals 20 sets. So each
Yeah,
of the sets equals what? 3 plus 7
20.
plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 equals 20. So all we need to do is 20 times 20 equals 400. That is the sum of the first 100 numbers. So it's 154 numbers. That's very easy. 154 divided by 5 equals 30. Remainder is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number is 3. Get it, Evan? Get it, Andrew? Okay, the only thing is a little bit different is like the sum of the first. Okay, so I'm going to change a little bit for this one to give you question 3. It's what is the sum of first 205 numbers? Okay, let's do the sum of the first, 204. What am I doing? 204, okay?
send my answer.
Okay, so everybody, if it is 204, so first we divide by 5 as well, so it's 40 and remainder 4, right? So we're going to do 40 times 20 equals 800. That is the total set. Then we do the 4 of them. So 3 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 equals 18. So the answer is 800 plus 18 equals 818. Get it, Andrew? Get it, Violet? Get it, Evan?
Yep.
Okay. And just a little bit off, right? So let's just take a look at number 1. Practice 1 and practice 2. How many numbers when divided by 7 have the same quotient and remainder? That's easy, right? Actually, for this question, we don't have to calculate it at all. The reason is because we are not asking how many questions are there, how many numbers are there, just to ask you, what are these numbers? Just ask you, how many numbers? So basically, you don't have to calculate it. It's just a 1 remainder 1, 2 remainder 2, 3 remainder 3, 4 remainder 4, 5 remainder 5, and 6 remainder 6. So they're all together 6 of them. You don't have to calculate it. The question is not asking you to list all these 6 numbers, but asking you how many of them are there. Get it, Leo? Right?
Yep.
So we can save some time, right? So some years ago, 1st of January was a Thursday. Which day of the week was first day of the April in that year? Take February 28th in that year.
Hmm?
Yeah, so how many, what is the date?
Wednesday.
Okay, so let's just to give some, like the Violet and Evan some time, okay? Okay, so it's either okay, Violet and Andrew, think about it. Okay, some years ago, 1st of January is a Thursday. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So January 1st is a Thursday, right? So we can say, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Okay, so this is 2nd, so 3rd, and 4th, and 5th, and 6th, and 7th, and 8th. Okay, everybody, you can see every single day you add 7 days, you'll be the next day and show up, right? So which days of the week was 1st of the April? So let's see how many days are there. Okay, how many days for the January? 31st, right? How many days for the February? 28th, correct? And how many days for the March? 31. And how many days for April? Only 1 day. So you plus them up equals 91. Correct, everybody? Okay, so 90, yeah, 91 divided by 7. So 7, so 21, and remainder is 0. So what does it mean? So we can see that means it's exactly what? Exactly that date. So you can see, okay? So from the first day, so second day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So every single plus 7 days, but you can see this is a first day. So when you have no remainder, that is what? That is actually Wednesday. When it is remainder 1, it's January 1st, which is Thursday. And if the remainder is 2, it's Friday. Remainder 3 is Saturday. Remainder 4 is Sunday. Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at number 3 and number 4.第三题 Violet 在做吗？ Number 3 and number 4. OK，小朋友们加油啊！这个应该很简单的，对不对？先想好， 跟老师一样做这个题目 okay so Leo Violet the most important thing is what if you see today is Friday 那你就说 today is Friday right so day 1 so day 2 is Saturday 跟老师一样 day 3 is Sunday day 4 is Monday 我跟大家说一下为什么一定要做这件事情啊 Tuesday is fifth day and Wednesday is 6 and Thursday is 7th okay when you do that you know that's the remainder 1 remainder 2 remainder 3 remainder 4 remainder 5 remainder 6 and remainder 0 for each of the day get it Andrew okay so that's why 90 divided by 7 equals what equals 6 so that's why the answer is Wednesday good job Andrew okay number 4 okay so number 4 number 4 do I have to I give you another 5 minutes okay Leo 怎么有点不高兴呢？平时很高兴。
I'm trying to figure it out. I'm thinking.
Mm-hmm. A two-digit number has a remainder of 7 when it's divided by 9. Okay, so let's see. A two-digit number divided by 9 equals something and remainder 7, correct? It has a remainder of 5 when it divided by 7. So still same number divided by 7 equals one number and the remainder is 5, right? So let's take a look at this one. So this number, we can say, okay, so we can try different ones. This number biggest can be 99, smallest can be 10. Correct, everybody? Because it's a two-digit number. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let's take a look at this one, okay? So if we have this one equals, for instance, we can just do from here. If this is 1, so this number will be 16, right? So obviously this one is too small, right? So we can try 2. So 25, obviously still not right. So 3, 34. 34 is it divided by 7 equals 5? No. Okay, so 4. 36 plus 7 equals 43. 43 divided by 7, still not. So we still need to do number 5. 52. 52 divided by 7, still remainder 3, right? So let's see, 6. So 61. 61 divided by 7. Yeah, so we get it. Get it, everybody?
Yep.
Understand, everybody?
Yep.
Okay, so let's just do the next one. Violet, you didn't send me any answers at all, okay? I don't know what are you doing right now. OK，到现在为止一道题目答案都没有发给老师啊。第5题和第6题。Thank you, Andrew. Andrew 一直在发给老师啊，很好。
Tragic.
Okay, so everybody, there are altogether Violet, 168 beads are strung in a sequence of 5 black and 4 blue and 3 white and 5 black and 4 blue and 3 white, right? So Violet, Are they just repeating like that? Every single 12 beads, they repeat it, right? Okay, so what color is 150 beads? How to do that? I would like to hear you say.
The 5 plus 4 plus 3 is 12. Then 150 divided by 12.
So 150 divided by 12, correct? Right? Violet? Because the watercolor is 150, so divided by 12 equals what?
Equals 12 remainder 6.
Remainder 6. So what is the color? Can you tell me?
Blue.
Very good. Okay, so how many beads are there in the first 100? How many blue beads are there? How to do that, everybody? So we need to know every single one sets, there are 4 blue beads. So there are whole together 12 of those ones. So it's 12 plus 4. But we need to plus what? Plus another one, right? Because it's extra one is in blue. So it's 49 beads in blue. Very good, Leo. Understand, everybody? Violet, understand? Okay. So that is understanding. Okay. So number 6, all of you. Okay. Number 6. Next question. I would like to hear Evan, the fish, the sleepy fish. The sleepy fish. The sleepy fish. So 372152.
Fish.
372152. I already helped you to do the sets, okay? So there are a sets of the like 6 numbers, they repeat again, right? What is the sum of the first of 122? So first of all, you need to find out how many sets are there, right? So we divide it by 6 equals 20 and the remainder 2, correct? So everybody, so in order to find the sum, Evan, how to do that? So do you understand what does this quotient mean? It means there are what?
20 sets of the pattern.
So what is the sum?
20 times 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus
so
2.
we can just plus this one first, right? Equals 20, right? Okay, so 20 times 20 and plus the extra 2 equals 10. So because it's 3 plus 7, so equals 410. Okay, so what is a 138? So 138 divided by 6 equals 2, 3. Remainder 0. So when's the remainder 0? 2. So everybody get it? Okay, so remainder 1, remainder 2, remainder 3, remainder 4, remainder 5, remainder 6, which is 0. Okay, last number is the number remainder 0. Get it? A lot of students making mistakes on this one. Okay, so you need to understand how many numbers, for instance, if you have 7 numbers, 7 divided by 6 equals 1. Would it be enough? Oh, it's frozen. 1 second, sorry. My 我的笔在打圈圈. Okay, equals 1. Remainder 1, right? So that means this is a number 7, right? This is number 7. So you can see the first one, so that's why it's 3. So it's remainder 1, remainder 2, remainder 3, remainder 4, remainder 5. But there's nothing like remainder 6, so it's remainder 0. Get it, everybody? OK, 有很多小朋友说，哎，第一个数字就是 remainder 0，不是的，OK，是 last number。OK, number 7 and number 8.
What month is June? Like when?
Yeah, one month is June.
Like I can't memorize this.
OK， 看着我，Leo 看着我，你有没有小拳头？把小拳头伸出来，把手伸出来。OK， so
Yeah.
first one is January, so it has 31st day. 凹下去的时候是 February，然后
Okay.
凸出来是 March，然后凹下去是 April，凸出来是 May，凹下去是 June，所以凹下去的时候它都是30 days，然后凸出来的你的 knuckle 上面的都是 31st day, 31 day，知道吗？会了吗？
Yes.
嗯哼。
Well, is August after June or is August a month after the month?
July, June 后面是 July.
So August is after July.
January, February, March and April, May, June, July, and August, September,
Oh, okay.
October, November, and
I only can remember the from September. I can't remember any other one. I just never memorized this stuff.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, some years ago, 1st of June was Friday. OK， 还是一样的，小朋友们，你们记不记得老师说这个题目怎么做 ？Violet first 写上去，对不对 ？OK, Saturday, second, and Sunday, third, and Monday. 哎，Leo，那你知不知道 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday 这个你知道的对吧 ？OK, not very sure.
So.
Sometimes not very sure as well. Okay, 6 and Thursday and 7, correct? Okay, so 8th is Friday again. Which day of the week was the 30th of August at that day? So first of all, June had 30 days, okay? And July have 31 days, and August also have 31 days, but they're asking for the 30th of August. So altogether, there are 91 days. So 91 divided by 7 equals 13, and remainder there's 0. Okay, so what does it mean? That means there's no remainder. So when is the no remainder? Thursday. Very good. Okay, good job. So let's take a look at number 8. When 120, do you need more time for the next number? Next question?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll give you some time.
What?
Oh, Evan the fish is already giving me the answer, okay? Find the smallest possible answer. You need to find the smallest.
I think I also gave you the answer.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Andrew gave it to me as well. Okay, so everybody, 120 is divided by a 2-digit number, right? So let's take a look at this. A 2-digit number. And the remainder is 12. Okay, everybody. If the remainder is 12, so this 1-digit number, this 2-digit number at least has to be what? If you check your answer, there's a very important thing is I said from the very beginning of the first class, this class, it said, when you see the remainder must be smaller than the divisor. Okay, so do you want to do it again, everybody? Get it, Evan? Okay, you think about it.
120.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So I'm going to starting with 13. Get it, everybody? Okay, and I'm going to do what? 120 minus 12 first. Because if you take away the remainder, this one should be divisible by this one. Understand, everybody? So you can see 108 equals what? Equals 54. And divided by 2 equals 27. And divided by 3 equals 9. And divided by 3 equals 3. So 108 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, so basically 108 divided by 54 equals 2 and remainder 12. Okay, 108 could be divided by 27 and the remainder is 12 as well. But we're trying to find out the smallest possible value. So what is the smallest possible two-digit number can get out of the 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3? And this number must be bigger than 12. So it's what? 2
18
times 3 times 3. Yes, equals 18. So let's see. 120 divided by 18 equals remainder is 12. Get it, everybody? So this question is really, really good, okay? I'm going to clear everything. I want you to do from the very beginning again yourself. I give you everybody 3 minutes. Evan, do you understand? Violet, do you want me to explain again? No. And Evan, do you want me to explain again? No, okay.
I did it again.
Okay, good. Leo, you understand, right? So
Yes.
next time, if you see those kind of questions, you know how to start it with, right? Okay, so number 9. Violet, Evan, and Andrew, do you have any question for number 8? No, okay, good. Number 9. Okay, so yeah, you can go to washroom. Okay, 1,988 rescue package were distributed to the 7 regions affected by the natural disaster as shown below. Okay, so they're just doing this. So the good thing is, Leo, this time they're just in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if that's the case, you don't have to divide by 14 or 21. So they're just in right order. So they're just to divide by 7 is good enough. Which region will receive 1,986? So 1,986 divided by 7. Right? So
Yep.
this equals 258 and 26 and 3 and remainder 5. Basically, that's the E region.
E.
So how many rescue package had region B received by the time 197th package has been handed out? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. We need to find out the column B, right? So 1,976 divided by 7, I think the remainder should be 2. Let's see. So 2, 8, and 2. So remainder 2. Okay. So before that, there are already 282 package has been delivered and plus 1. So it's 283. Get it, everybody?
Yep.
Number 10. Sum of two numbers is 340. Its quotient and remainder are 7 and 20 respectively. When one of them is divided by the other, find the two numbers. Okay? 想一想啊，加油 ！Alex 大家不行，下次还晚一点上课好。 Oh, that means they are related to each other. So you don't need to take a look at this number. It doesn't matter.
What?
Okay, the sum of two numbers is 340. So A plus B equals 340. Yeah, the quotient and the remainder are 7 and 20. So A divided by B equals 7 and remainder 20. So based on that, B must be bigger than 20. Everybody, do you understand? Correct? So what is the number we're starting to do with? We can do with 20. I think 21 is too small, right? 21 is too small. You can just starting with 30, I think.
Yeah.
Right? And if you're starting with 30, so 210 plus 20 is still too small. We start with 35 something. I think it should be a number.
Oh, I think let me.
Because 40 is too big, right? No, 40 is not big enough. 40 is not big enough because 40 is 280 plus 20 equals 300. So 40 is not big enough. So let's see, maybe it's 42. So let's see, 42 times 7 plus 20 equals 294 plus 20. Not big enough, right? So we can say which one. Understand, everybody? Okay, you can try the different ones and find out the answer, okay? So number 11 and number 12. Okay, let's take a look at this one. A box of chocolates can be shared equally between two children. Okay, equally between two children. That means they can be divided by 2. So this number of the chocolate must be an even number. Correct, everybody? It can also be shared equally among 3, 4, 5, as well as 6 children. So this number, it must be end up with 0. And the last 2 digits of this one must be divisible by 4 as well. And these two numbers plus together must be divisible by 3. What is the minimum number chocolate of this box? So basically, we can just do what? 2, 3, 4, 6. A number can be divisible by 2 and 3 must be divisible by 6, correct? So basically, this number must be divisible by 6 and divisible by 4 and divisible by 5, correct? So all you need to do is just to find out the lowest common multiple of 6, 4, and 5. It's divided by 2, so 3 and 2 and 5. So all you need to do is 2 times 3 times 2 times 5. So the answer is 60. So this one, the box of chocolate has 60 of them. Good job, Leo. Very good. Okay, so number 12. read the question again, okay? Read the question very carefully.给大家最后1分钟时间啊。还是想不出来。Okay, so I'm going to start to explain this question, okay? A number has a remainder of 2 when it's divided by 4. So a number divided by 4 equals something and remainder 2. Correct, everybody? Did you get this one? It also has a remainder of 2 when it's divided by 3. It has a remainder of 1 when divided by 7. Okay, so if you want, we can take a look at this one. So based on these two, you can say this number is divisible by 12, right? And it has the same remainder. So it must be the multiple of 12. Do you understand what I mean? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Find the smallest possible value of this number. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. If without this one, it's very easy. Because this number divided by 4 equals something, it remainder 2. So it's 12 plus 2 equals 14. Correct? Very easy, right? But now if you put it there, it's going to be wrong. So are we going to using this one as a main clue or these two? Of course, I'm using these two because this one have strong background. Okay, for instance, for the next one, we have 24 plus 2 equals 26. 26 divided by 4 equals 6, remainder 2. And 26 divided by 3 equals 8, remainder 2. Understand, everybody? So I'm going to put 26 here. So you're going to find out it's still not remainder 1, correct? Okay, next one, 36 plus 2 equals 38. 38 divided by 7, still not working. Okay, 哎呀，又开始不动. So 48 plus 2 equals 50. So 50 divided by 7 equals 7, remainder 1. So that's why the answer is 50. Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's move forward to the last question we're learning today. Okay, the sum of the dividend divides a quotient and remainder is 171. The quotient and remainder are 12 and 8 respectively. Find the dividend and divisor. Okay, so the number, so A divided by B equals C equals the remainder D, right? So A plus B plus C plus D equals 171. The quotient and remainder are 12 and 8. So this one is 12 and this one is 8. So that's why A plus B should equals 151, correct? Okay, so B must be bigger than 8, so at least 9. So still the same thing. So you just try to find out the answer. So 12 times 9 plus 8 equals 108 plus 8 equals 116. So 116 plus 8 is not 151. So you need to get this one bigger. So 10, 11, and 12. Try one of them. Get it, Leo? But we can just narrow the possibility of all the numbers. Get it, everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class. I think if you want, I can just still start at 9:30 because I think Evan is pretty sleepy, right? Okay, so if that's the case. Okay, so I just want, sometimes you want to start early. Okay, so next week there's no class, okay? So because I'm going to be, yeah, so there's no class. And later on, I think will be the Christmas. We will have at least one. So because I think Leo is will have some day off for the Christmas. So I try to still give classes during the Christmas time. So Leo won't miss too many classes. Okay, Leo? I tried because I think your soccer or whatever will stop during the Christmas time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so please let your mother know. So usually I take the Christmas off. And I know Evan and Andrew and Violet maybe want to take Christmas off as well. But we try to do a little bit classes during the Christmas time. So that's Leo won't miss so many classes. Okay. So that's it for today's class. We're going to see each other next week. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.